So you're considering Melotti Media for your marketing plan development and marketing mentoring services. Well, that is fantastic news. I'm thrilled that you are here. So basically what it looks like from now is have a read of this page. It explains exactly what we do as part of this service. But long story short is we work together with you to develop your marketing plan. So that involves sitting down with you and having a look at what's important for you. What are your KPIs, your business goals and strategies and so forth. And then what we do is we talk about your situation analysis and customer type and so forth. And then my team and I go away and put together your marketing plan, which is a 12-month strategic blueprint or marketing plan to-do list that stipulates exactly what you need to do with what type of marketing at what type of customer around what type of theme or strategy. And then it involves putting that together like a to-do list so that you and your team can then take that document from us and execute it. So that is the beauty of our marketing plan development service, is that you basically get a 12-month to-do list across all of your marketing so that you have a systemized way of approaching marketing in order to achieve your business goals. So the beauty of this marketing plan is that we give it all to you so you and your team can execute on it. That way you're in full control. And then as a marketing strategist myself, I come in at certain intervals over the next couple of months to just check in to see how you're going and if you need any guidance or support. So marketing plan development services are a great way for you to put together your to-do list for your marketing across all different types of marketing, so you have lots of options and then there's no more confusion. You get full clarity with a 12-month plan. So if you do want to learn more, contact us at Melotti Media. We are happy to talk you through how our marketing plan development services work.